It has been a while since we last had a Philips desktop monitor with us. The previous model we tested was the 27M1N3200Z, which many of our viewers are interested in. Today what we have in the studio is the Philips Momentum 3000 series monitor. The model name is 27M1N. As the name suggests, it is a 27-inch gaming monitor. After using this monitor for about 2 weeks, here are a few things I think you would need to know. Firstly, the design. I love how Philips has kept the minimalist design with the thin bezels at the top and the sides, leaving only the bottom bezel for the Philips logo and the backlighting components. While I don't really see the charm of an unorthodox base design like this, but hey, at least it is more useful than those triangular bases, which are ugly and impractical. Besides, the monitor is mounted to the neck via this massive piece of the mount. I have never seen anything quite like this. As for the ergonomic adjustments, my goodness, this is the first time I have ever encountered such a smooth mechanism. The stand offers height, tilt and swivel adjustments. You can even use the monitor in the vertical mode no matter if you like to turn it to the left or to the right. The entire mechanism for the ergonomic adjustment is so smooth to the point that it feels like you are soaking the entire stand in a WD-40 bath. Just that one thing for them to improve is that I hope they actually include a 0-degree key for the adjustment, because sometimes I have some difficulty trying to keep the monitor in perfect level, so it's something for them to improve on. The OSD controls are done through the 4-way joystick at the back of the monitor. It is of course more intuitive to use compared to those regular buttons, but I believe there are still room for them to improve. For example, why do I need to push the joystick up and down for the brightness bar, even though the icon they display here is actually left and right? Now, as for the connectivities, the Philips 27M1N has a built-in power supply, so you don't have to deal with a separate power adapter, which is good. The monitor has 2 HDMI 2.0 inputs, 1 DisplayPort 1.4 input, and apart from that, it also got a 3.5mm audio pass-through port. Unfortunately, there is no built-in speaker for this monitor. For information, there are different models of 27M1N and some of them have built-in speaker, just not for this particular Malaysian model. The display itself is a 27-inch panel with Full HD 1920 by 1080p resolution. It has a 165Hz refresh rate, and we have tested the color accuracy with the colorimeter and the results are pretty good. At 99% sRGB coverage with a low delta E value and even the 87% DCI-P3 coverage, the panel is extremely good for all purposes such as gaming, multimedia consumption and even light editing as well. My only complaint is the monitor only comes in 1080p resolution instead of 1440p. And that brings us to the price. The Philips 27M1N is officially priced at 1,399 ringgit Malaysia. It is currently on sale at 1,099 ringgit Malaysia. That is pretty much the main reason why Philips Malaysia didn't bring in the 1440p version, as they might worry that the price can go a bit too high. Personally, I think they should go ahead with the 1440p version since there are more people adapting higher resolution display nowadays. Besides, it won't hurt if they just keep the 1080p model for the 24-inch and the 27-inch go with 1440p. Then again, if you want an affordable 27-inch model and you don't mind about the Full HD resolution, then the Philips 27M1N is an excellent choice since there are not many monitors with 165Hz refresh rate and 1080p resolution. So that's all I want to share with you with this particular model, the Philips Momentum 3000 series monitor. If you've got any questions about this monitor, you can always leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.